Hey, this is Cody with Platform 9. This is another video of Ironic bare metal provisioning. You can see we have our Ironic host up here, and we have quite a few bare metal nodes in this environment. Some of them have already been used, and some of them are free to use. So what we're going to spin up today is an ESX host. We're going to do bare metal provisioning of VMware ESX. So you can see I have a VMware ESX 6.7 image here. And then I have a flavor that is going to match that system. We're going to do a local boot off of this. And my normal flavor automatically enables swap on the partition. So I created a new flavor here for swapless since we don't need ESX to have swap on it. So let's go ahead and spin this guy up. Oh, and then we're going to place this on the provider network that we have. So it should automatically get DHCP from this scope. So let's go. So we're going to come in here to instances. We're going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to choose our VMware image. We're going to choose that swapless flavor. And we're going to choose that network that we have. I'm going to put in VMware ESXi for my name. And then I'm just going to click Finish and Create Instance. Okay, so this system is now provisioning. It has selected a node from the pool. I just so know that this is the node that it's going to choose. So we're going to go ahead and watch this provision. And I'm going to fast forward the video, so this should happen very quickly. I'll go ahead and unpause the video right now. As you can see, this system did PXE boot, and now it's downloading a kernel and RAM disk so that it can start the boot environment that will then do a DD copy of the ESX image to that local disk. After that DD copy is finished, the server will reboot, and that's where we'll pick up next. We'll go ahead and unpause again real quick. So what's happening right now is the copy has been complete. The Ironic server has sent an IPMI power off request to the system, and then it is a power on request once it's good, and then it pulls it to make sure that it's actually powered on. And in a second you'll see this. Okay, I missed it. It already says active. So you can see that this was deployed at 8:29, 8:30, and it's 8:36 right now. So it takes about 6 minutes to do a bare metal provisioning, but I did save you from that. So we're going to watch the system boot up now. I'll go ahead and speed this up, and we'll resume in a minute. Okay, we're going to unmute here. So you can see the system booted up. It's right here, but most people won't have access to the console of this. All they're going to see is this, right? So we're going to go ahead and grab this IP address and plunk it into the browser and see what we get. So that looks good. We get the warning. So it looks like the web server is up on this host. And we get a login prompt for VMware ESXi. Now, this image was created without a root password, so we're just going to type in root for the username and leave the password blank, and this should bring us right into the VMware web UI. And it does. So we highly recommend that everybody, first thing you do with this system is change your password, right? But that's all there is to it. We did a full bare metal provision. This environment is up and running, and we can now start configuring it. We can add it to vCenter, and we can do all of the things that we would normally do if we manually installed this. Thank you very much.